Let us start a problem on this banked curve road, banking off road. In the last part, we have discussed about this problem. In this problem, you can understand that what is meant by 10% margin to the speed limit. 10% margin means it should be somewhat 10% more and 10% less. Whatever the maximum speed we will get, if we consider 10% of that, then it will be a dangerous, it will be a most unsafe, and the accident will took place. So 10% margin to the higher speed means it that highest with respect to highest speed, that higher speed limit, the 10% less value is considered as allowable speed or allowed speed. And to the minimum speed, below the minimum speed also there is unsafe. Here we have to keep 10% margin, means with respect to minimum speed 10% more. So with respect to minimum speed 10% more, and with respect to maximum speed 10% less. This is the meaning of 10% margin, and that is the allowable value, allowed value to that maximum and minimum values of the safety speed limits. So in this problem, tan theta is given as theta is tan inverse of 0.5. Let us read once again the problem. A racing track of curvature 9.9 meter, so radius of curvature is 9.9 meter, is banked at, this is a racing track of curvature, this is a racing track but it is a curved one having this much radius, is banked at tan inverse of 0.5. Tan inverse of 0.5 means this is angle, this is written as theta equal to tan inverse of 0.5. Coefficient of static friction between the track and the tires of vehicle is 0.2. This is mu s, coefficient of static friction. Determine the speed limits with 10% margin. Means we have to not only determine here the speed limits means one is upper speed limit and another one is the lower speed limit. So of which we have to decide the 10% margin, means 10% more for minimum value and 10% less of the maximum value, that we are keeping a margin before reaching that unsafe condition. So what is the minimum speed formula? By considering the friction as well as the banking, that is under root of Rg tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. This is the formula for the curved banked roads. This is the formula for the curved bank road of minimum speed. It is under root of Rg tan theta minus mu s upon 1 plus mu s tan theta. Now substituting the value in this equation, R is 9.9, G value is 10, tan theta is, here tan theta is 0.5, it is less than 1, tan theta is 0.5, mu s is 0.2, this difference is positive here, upon 1 plus mu s is 0.2, and tan theta, what is the value of tan theta? Theta is tan inverse of 0.5, so tan will be shifted to this side, tan theta will be 0.5. On solving this, we get it is root of 27, and the square root of 27 is slightly more than the 5, because 25 square root is 5. So its answer is 5.196 meter per second, nearer to 5.2. So minimum speed is 5.2. 5.196 means approximately 5.2 meter per second. But this is not with 10% margin. So for minimum speed, if you reduce the speed below the 10%, then what will happen? It will be unsafe. So we have to keep for the minimum value 10% more value of this, that is the allowable speed to this lower speed limit. So what is allowed V min? So that is V min, earlier value. Now allowed V min should be 10% higher than this. So we have to keep 10% margin. So for safer side, so with respect to that minimum value, the value must be the 10% more. So V minimum allowed will be this minimum value multiplied by 10% more 10% more means if initial value is 100, new value is 110. It means here it will be 10% more. It will be 10% more. Means its initial value plus 10% means 10 by 100 of this. So that will give you 110 by 100. So calculation of this will be 5.716 meter per second. This is the allowable or allowed minimum speed. Similarly, for this condition, what is the maximum speed limit? That is upper speed limit. So upper speed limit is under root of Rg tan theta plus mu s upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. Substituting the value here, R equal to 9.9, G is 10, here tan theta is 0.5 plus mu s value is 0.2 upon 1 minus mu s is 0.2, tan theta is 0.5. So calculation of this is square root of 77. So square root of 77 is nearer to 81. So it is slightly less than the 9. So its square root is 8.775 meter per second. It is 8.775 meter per second, nearer to 8.8, 8.775 meter per second. So what is allowable speed by keeping the margin 10%? So this speed should not be more than 10%. Then it will be unsafe or the accident may took place if you give such a value. So allowable speed by keeping the margin 10% must be less than the 10% of this. So allowed Vmax should be 10% lower than this. So how much 10% lower than this? 10% lower means 90 by 100. If initial value is 100, the new value will be 90. So Vmax allowed will be this say upper speed limit 8.775 into 90 by 100. So that is by decreasing the 10% value. So keeping 10% margin. So multiplication of this will give 7.896 meter per second. So this is allowed Vmax speed in this case. Let us see the next question based on the similar type. Part of racing track. So this is a part of a racing track is to be designed for curvature of 72 meter. It means this is a racing track which is a curved having radius 72 meter. We are not recommending the vehicles to drive faster than 216 km per hour. Means maximum speed limit is or upper speed limit is 216 km per hour. Coefficient of static friction between the tires of vehicle on this road is 0.8. So coefficient of static friction means this is mu s value, it is 0.8. Will there be any lower speed limit? By how much can the upper speed limit exceed in this case? So will there be any lower speed limit, or by how much can the upper speed limit exceed in this case? So we have to means calculate or think for this problem lower speed limit and upper speed limit. See here given values are mu s, that is mu is 0.8. Here V is 216 km per hour and radius is 72 meter. This 216 km per hour convert in meter per second in SI system by multiplying 5 by 18 to this value. So we get 60 meter per second. So we already taken this value in the earlier problem. Radius is 72 meter and the V value is this 216 km per hour means 60 meter per second. So tan theta equal to V square by Rg. Based on this we will get the tan theta value. If we consider this as a maximum speed limit, so tan theta equal to V square by Rg. So for this calculation your tan theta value is 5. So tan theta is V square by Rg. So tan theta is 5 as we have calculated in earlier. So here we have to find V minimum and V maximum. here this V value is given. Below this there will be a one value of V minimum by considering the friction, and with respect to this here will be a one value on the curve road by considering the friction, that is called as the V max. So V max is greater than V and V is greater than V minimum. This V value is intermediate value in between these two. So that intermediate value is 60 meter per second. So sir, the V minimum for this case by considering the friction effect, so V minimum equal to under root of Rg tan theta minus mu upon 1 plus mu tan theta. Substituting the value for the V minimum calculation, R is 72, G is 10, here tan theta is 5, here mu s is 0.8 upon 1 plus this mu s 0.8 into tan theta is 5. So calculation of this will be 720 into numerator is 4.2 divided by the calculation of this is 5. So this will give you on solving 24.6 meter per second. So if we want to convert this value in kilometer per hour, so multiply by reverse of this factor. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we have multiplied by 5 by 18. Now convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. When we multiply by 18 by 5, so its approximate value will be 90 kilometer per hour. So minimum speed limit will be on this case 90 kilometer per hour, whereas the V value will be, V shape value will be 216 kilometer per hour. Let us think for the same case by considering the friction, what will be the V max? So here there will not be a case of V max since tan theta is very large value, means theta is very large. Your this V max formula fails if theta exceeds a 45 degree, and theta will be a 45 degree when tan theta value equals to 1. This is very large value, so there will not be a limit of V max, or there will not be a value for the V max. So in this case there will not be upper speed limit. Let us calculate the value. Let us try by substituting the value in the equation. What happens? So V max equal to under root of Rg tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. So substituting the value, square root of R is 72, G is 10, tan theta is 5, mu is 0.8 upon 1 minus mu is 0.8 into tan theta is 5. So if you try to solve, here denominator comes to be negative. As denominator comes to be negative means it comes in further the complex number, means it is not solvable, means it is not our valid condition or reliable condition. So this cannot be solved. So this is impossible case practically. So as denominator become negative, this shows it is not a valid condition. And why it is not a valid condition? Because if theta exceeds a 45 degree, then there will be no upper speed limit. This we have studied while studying the theoretical concept. Now next heading is a conical pendulum. What is conical pendulum? A mass tied with a string. A mass tied with a string performs a circular motion in a horizontal plane. It is revolved in horizontal plane in such a way that string makes constant inclination with a vertical, such that this string forms a cone type structure. Such arrangement is called as conical pendulum. So this is the definition of conical pendulum. String moves along the surface of a right circular cone of vertical axis, means the axis of the cone is vertical and string moves along the surface of a right circular cone. So string moves along the surface of a right circular cone with axis vertical, and the point object performs horizontal UCM, and the point object tied to the string perform horizontal circular motion. Such arrangement is called as conical pendulum.